So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then to watch Univision Network on YouTube TV, you got to have either YouTube TV base plan or the Spanish plan. So if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, then you can watch Univision right away. But if you don't have the YouTube TV base plan yet, and you only care to watch Univision, then I do recommend you just to purchase the Spanish plan for a cheaper prices. And then to buy those plans, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then here you can just buy YouTube TV base plan network for 60 bucks per month, or you can buy the cheaper prices, the Spanish plan, for 25 bucks per month. So on either of them, just click on it. And then here, click on next, and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then to watch Univision, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then search for Uni. And here on the Univision, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of the Univision, or you can just see any series or movies from Univision on demand. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Univision on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.